here, and I'm here with 3 helpers, my sons,
Edmund Walker, Gwen Victoria Walker, Monica Walker.
Yes, and we are here to do a series of ab exercises. Are we ready?
Yes!
It's very important that we take turns, okay?
I'm going for negatives.
So, moms, as you are trying to figure
And
out,
then,
yeah, moms
Positive.
and dads, as you're trying to figure out what to do during this COVID-19 quarantine, one thing that is really fun is exercise, right?
and workout.
What?
Remember, you already said that if you're in quarantine, that you be working out if you're in quarantine.
Good job. Thank you. Yes.
And you just shake your body.
Yes, you should
And you can do that.
have a new body. Well, while you're in quarantine, you want to be able to work out, and being with your kids and working out is a really great thing to do. Okay, so I'm going to show a series of exercises, and each one of them will take the exercise and demonstrate them.
Excuse me.
Great, let's go. So I'm going to have you boys to stand right here. And then I'm going to demonstrate some exercises, and then you all are going to get in position and do them. Got it? All right. So yes.
I know it all the video.
Thank you. Thank you. He's a fan. All right. So we're gonna start with some side planks. Can you scooch over a little bit? Thank you. We're gonna start with some side planks, which you know what this is.
Yes. Your time.
But
Your ass.
yes, it is your ass. Right?
I
And
knew that.
specifically,
Yeah.
it's your external obliques.
I know what it is. Your external oblique.
Obliques.
Obliques.
Like it. All right.
Oh,
So.
oh, let me get
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to start off in the modified version of the side. So I go. Yes, you got it. Side plank. So can you let me demonstrate? Okay. No. Okay. So look. So we go like so, and then gather around. And for all of those watching, if you have little ones, I've learned to allow them to follow you the best that they can.
They're little. I'm almost 10. They're little.
So,
My babe.
can you please like,
Can we go to the
alright, so place your arm on the side, your knees here, raise yourself up. I'm here with, and you are going to show, what was the name of this exercise?
the plank jack.
Yes.
Like dummy jack, but like how you normally do a plank, but the same way, but flat hand. Then put your feet out.
Yes, so we're going to do 2 versions. We're going to do a modified version on your elbows, and then we'll do, yes, very good. Okay, so it's almost like the jumping jack, like you said. So you demonstrate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now come back. And now I want you to come back. And then come back. Come back. Okay, good. Okay, good. Very good. All right. Excellent. How did that feel?
You feel that when it's a numbness
Very
in
good.
the leg,
Oh, good. Good. You get your little out of
in
breath.
the arms.
Right? Get your little out of breath.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You feel in your arms.
Good
Well,
job.
like I guess you wait or like that, like it when you go
Good job. All right. Next up, Brilliant is here to help you to do the side plank. Brilliant. This is muscle pump. Very good. Come on here. So we're going to do two versions. The full version and the modified version, okay? So I'm going to have you to scooch over to the side. So we're going to stack our feet on top of each other. Brilliant is lifting his hips. His arm is bent. This is the full version. So it would look like this. Let's see if we can do 10, okay? Ready? I'll do 10. So we go.
But I'm gonna tell you a minute.
Okay, good. So 1, 2. It's like somebody has a string pulling us up. 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Woo! Now let's switch sides, and we're gonna do. We're gonna switch sides and do the modified version. So that means we're gonna stack our knees on top of each other. We're gonna have a slight bend. Okay, why don't you turn around and face the camera that way? Good. Pull up these little hands. All right. And then on your knees, we're gonna come up like so. Good. 1, 2. We stay on our knees. 3, 4. Same as though we have a stream. 6. Good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We really want to get that squeeze. It's a little tiring, right? But you did a great job. Good job.
Bye.
So, bye. Okay, so thank you so much for being my helper. And now we're going to have Honor come and help us do some more. Okay? All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Honor, come on. Come on down. Honor is going to demonstrate the Russian twist. Working our complete rectus. What? That's right.
And what's this abdominals?
That's right. So get that 6-pack going. Now,
I only have one.
with the Russian twist,
Oh, I know this
you
one.
can add weights to it. Like this
Like
is
this?
just a small
Like this?
medicine ball. Yes. And he's
Oh,
doing
can I do this one?
the harder version because he has his feet elevated. Okay, good. And he's twisting.
Oh, I mean,
Let's see if you can do 10. This is just a very small weighted ball. Okay, lift up. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good.
now I do it.
And you can also do any other kind of weight that you want. So whether that is an actual dumbbell, you can do 1 or 2.
Like this. Hold on.
Yes.
One.
And let's show one version that's a little bit easier by planting your feet on the floor. Okay, now go 1, 2,
Easy to start.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see,
How many miles you do this one?
there are some people that will say, "Oh yes, I don't really feel it." Well, that
you doing?
when you don't feel an exercise, 9 times out of 10, are you doing it right or wrong?
Right. I mean,
Wrong, right? You're doing it wrong.
that's like someone
So-
doing a sit-up like this. I don't feel anything.
Exactly. So you want to make adjustments after the first 1 or 2 reps. If you're not feeling something, then you need to slow down the pace, increase the weight, check your form, make some adjustments.
Or this.
Okay?
Look. Or you can do it like this. It's like I will like a little person doing it. Like if you want to do this.
Yes, you can vary the weight. So the more elevated you are, the less you feel it in your abs. So you want to lean back, as Honor was leaning back. And as soon as you lean back, weight or no weight, your abs are going to constrict. So you're going to feel it. And then when you make yourself in balance, you're definitely going to feel it. You add more weight, you're definitely going to feel it. So all these variations intensify the exercise.
And you can eat one like this. It's 5 pounds.
Yes, the kettlebell. And so if you actually slow it down, then you also feel it changing that tempo again. Yes.
I can feel that.
Yes, right. So thank you, Honor, for demonstrating the Russian twist. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Boys, come on over. So, everybody did a wonderful job, and we thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. For more videos like this, fitness motivation, and more, visit us at Soulful Gym.
See you in Soulful Dance. Bye.
Bye.